Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect a drive with BitLocker in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect a drive with BitLocker, go to File Explorer. In left pane click on this PC. Here I am going to encrypt my E drive with BitLocker. Just right click on the drive and here you will find an option turn on BitLocker. Click on turn on BitLocker. Now starting BitLocker. Here you will find two options. One is use a password to unlock the drive and another one is use my smart card to unlock this drive. I'm going to use password. Click on use a password to unlock the drive. Now type the password and re-enter the password. Now click on next. Here you will find an option. How do you want to backup your recovery key? You will find three options: save to USB flash drive or save to a file or print the recovery key. I'm going to choose the third option, print the recovery key. Click on print the recovery key and here select Microsoft Print to PDF and then click on print. Now I'm going to save the PDF, give the name. Now click on save. The recovery key has been saved. Now click on next and here encrypt used space only and another option is encrypt enter drive. I'm going to select encrypt used space only. Now click on next and then you will find two options, new encryption mode and compatible encryption mode. By default new encryption mode is selected. Now click on next and now click on start encrypting. Look, the drive is encrypted and a notification will be opened. Encryption of E by BitLocker drive encryption has started. This is the easiest way to encrypt a drive with BitLocker in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.